The first one that we're going to use is not just a website, it's also an app. So right away, I'm in love. It's called Zarek Lammy. So I'm on my computer, so I'm at the site zareklamy.com. However, you can also find it on the Google Play Store as well under the same name. And this site or app is not just for videos. They pay to do lots of things you probably do every day anyway. This is absolutely free to sign up and start earning, so there's no investment required. And you can do it on your computer, tablet, phone, anything with an internet connection really. From here we can see a bit about the site, but we're just going to jump ahead to getting our account so we can start earning. On the app of the web page, just find the register button and click that. I love how easy sign up is here. You can either do it automatically with Google or Microsoft, or if you're old school, you can enter your info manually. So once we're all signed up, it'll show us the dashboard. And here we'll be able to see our earnings and keep track of how much we're making over the past few days or even month, plus the total balance we currently have. Now, if we just signed up, we won't have any earnings yet. So let's fix that, shall we? Over the left side, click where it says Earn. This takes us to a page where we select how much money we want to earn. You can see the options for browsing websites, leaving engagement on social media account, watch videos, watch ads. These are all great ways to earn because it doesn't take much effort. For videos and ads, you can just click and then earn money while the video plays. You can even do other stuff while the video's playing. Another cool thing for people who love social media is you can get paid for social media engagement, like following people, liking photos or videos, leaving comments, stuff we do on social anyway. There are also surveys you can fill out, but I don't love these because they take up way more time and effort than just clicking on a video. But browsing websites, watching videos and ads, and social media engagement is all really fun and quick. Now let's try social media engagement. Just click the Earn button below and it'll take us to a new page where we choose which platform we want to use to get paid. So let's do YouTube together. That's what this video is all about. We'll click on YouTube views, which will take us to another page with a bunch of videos that we'll get paid to watch. And these aren't boring videos either. There's some really good content here. Select any of these videos and it'll take you to the watch page. Now here's an extra tip. It's basically passive income because you don't actually need to watch the video. It's just for view count. So you can just minimize it or walk away and do something else while it plays and you make money. You can even open multiple tabs to watch many videos at once to earn from them all at the same time. Now they don't pay a lot per video, but if you watch a lot of videos or pretend you're watching them, it adds up really fast. Just go through all the videos and get paid over and over again, then withdraw your money. Just for watching videos. You can monitor your dashboard in real time and see how much money you're earning. And you'll see how fast this adds up. Now, one thing to note is that the amount paid will be different depending on your location. Top-tier countries earn a bit more and lower tier earn a little less. But it's still money for almost no work. So I think it's a great opportunity no matter where you are. Just watch as many as you can, then withdraw your money and enjoy all the sweet passive income. To make even more, you can also do other social media engagement while these videos are playing. Comment on Instagram posts, YouTube videos, leave likes, subscribe to channels, and this pays well too. And all of this on this free site. And this is all there is to it. Isn't it amazing how simple this method is? Again, this site and app is called zareklamy.com or Zarek Lammy on the App Store. This is a brand new site and they have a limit on how many people they need, so I suggest you get on this right now before everyone else does. And as if that site wasn't good enough, I got 2 more for you. The second site I found is timebucks.com. This site also pays you to watch videos, but they also have some other really cool ways to make money. You can make money from posting on TikTok, watching slideshows, downloading apps, playing games. You can actually have a lot of fun on this site. But what I really love is that they have login rewards. Yeah, you don't even have to do anything other than log in daily to get bonuses. You can also start earning instantly, so you don't have to invest a bunch of time before you get paid. And like the first site, this one is also 100% free to register for. Timebucks also has a speedy registration process if you want to use your Facebook account, which saves a lot of time since we have 3 sites to register for today. But for you old school folks, they also allow you to register manually with your email and creating a password, so that's awesome for everyone. Once we're registered and logged in, you can see that this site is also for everyone, no matter where you are in the world. People make money from all over the world every minute here. This site is super simple too and a bit similar to the last one. Now we're in our account, just hit the Earn section over here and select the way you want to earn money. You can see that they also have surveys and tasks, but our favorite is always watching videos. You can find the videos under the offer walls or tasks section. Again, this site is timebucks.com, another simple and free site to use to make money from watching videos. And now for the final site we're going to use for this new method, quickrewards.net. This one is not as unique as the first two, but it's steady and reliable and also pays for a number of tasks. If you're a gamer, you can play games and earn a few bucks. The surveys take a lot of time, so they aren't ideal, but a good option if you enjoy that type of activity, and of course, what we came here for, watching videos. Now, I mentioned this site is steady and reliable, and that's because they've been around for nearly 20 years, so they aren't going anywhere anytime soon. I also love that the minimum withdrawal is just 1 cent, so it doesn't matter how much or how little you've earned. You can get your money right away. And the withdrawal options are cool too. Of course, they have PayPal if you just want cash, but they also have Amazon gift card or gift cards for one of almost 50 major retailers. You know I love PayPal, but maybe if you want to get some Christmas or holiday shopping done, the gift cards are a better option for you. It's always nice to have options, right? Signing up here is easy too. Just head to their website, quickrewards.net. Click Create an account and sign up for free. Start watching videos, earn cash or gift cards, and withdraw it as fast as you need it. That's it for today, guys. Aren't those some awesome sites? Again, the sites we went over are ZarekLamy.com, TimeBucks.com, and QuickRewards.net. Why not try out all three to maximize your earnings? That's what I do.